Okay, basically, so la phrase negative sentences. Basically, to make a negative affirmative, affirmative form. To make a affirmative, it's a normal sentence to negative form. In French, what we are normally doing is ne pas. We are putting ne pas. But still, you have some things to be learned there because there are some exceptional occasions. Okay, let's come to this one. Hello. So you all have the book, right?
Yes.
Yes. Hello. Bonjour, madame. Hello. Good evening, madam. Est qu'Eric est là? Hello. Good morning, madam. Is Eric there? No, je regrette. No, I regret. Il n'est pas là. He doesn't. He is not there. Il ne rentre pas à la maison ce soir. He doesn't return to the house this evening. Et demain and tomorrow? Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Vous n'avez pas son numéro de téléphone portable. You don't have his mobile phone number. So the word numero de portable. So those are very important. No? So numero de téléphone portable. Do you have his mobile phone number? CC. What is the meaning of C? C is equal to why not. So if someone asking you a negative sentence, negative question, so don't you have the mobile phone number? Why not? I have. CC. Merci, madame. Thank you, madam. Au revoir. See you. Okay. So it's a negative form. So here you know where to put na and pa. Okay. So in a vous n'avez pas. In such a sentence, you have there you don't have passé composé. Okay, basically here notice where you put na and pa. La négation est formée de deux mots, vrai ou faux. The negative form is formed with two words. What do you think?
Yes.
Huh? Vrai, right?
Yes.
Okay, vrai. Cochez la réponse correct. You need to tick the correct answer. Just do it. Anyway, I'm discussing. Just give a try. Ok. Ne est placé derrière le verbe ou devant le verbe? What you say?
Avant le verbe.
Devant le verbe. Pas est placé derrière
Derrière.
le verbe. Yeah. Mettez dans l'ordre. Put into order. Just check on the example also and try to fix these two sentences.
Excuse me, Aki, I don't understand this.
Yeah, it's just you need to simply put Napa. You need to restructure the sentence. So how are you going to restructure this one? Il,
The previous one, the B.
Daryardavon.
Yeah.
Daryarnavan. What is Daryar? What is Davon? What are the meanings of these words? Daryar is behind, Davon is in front of. So, na is placed where? Na ekadani Daryarda Davonda. Here, right? Hamekema verb ekata kalin. You got it? Adisha?
Hello?
Yeah, you got it. Your line was breaking.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of Daryar? What is the meaning of Davon? Daryar is what? That is after, behind. It's like behind, right? Davon is? Adisha, you can hear or not?
Yes, I can hear.
What is Davon? Davon is in front of. So where you put na? Daryarla verdi, Davonla verdi.
The one level.
File place.
The rear.
You understand it, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now you can fix these two sentences, right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Have you completed that one? Yes. Il ne rentre pas à la maison. For I put the accent, I didn't put it here. And the next one? Vous n'avez pas vous n'avez pas son numéro de téléphone. You don't have his phone number. Il ne rentre pas à la he doesn't re-enter the house. Okay. Then you have question number D. Javon yun vayel uan ashmue. in front of a vowel or muted h, na davyang what? What happens to na? Hmm?
In apostrophe.
An apostrophe. Nadesha, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to question number 1. Complétez avec ne ou an apostrophe. This is easy. So you need to fill with ne or an apostrophe. So when there's a vowel, you need to put an apostrophe. And I want you to do this one also. Transformer alla form negative come dans l'exemple. This one you need to, the entire sentence you need to transfer to negative form. Say normal. So say becomes ce and here an apostrophe ce n'est pas normal. You understand the format or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do question number 1 and 2 both. Write down the entire sentence in your, if you are not doing with the printed copy, write down the entire sentence because I am giving you the meaning as well. Okay? Go ahead. Okay. So, je ne suis pas en forme. What does that mean? I am not in form. It's like you can say you are not in good health or you are not in you are not fit enough. You can and je ne suis pas en forme. And then here it should be an apostrophe. Il n'a pas faim. He is not hungry. Faim. He is not hungry. Il n'a pas faim. He is not hungry. Then nous ne sommes pas bien. Nous ne sommes pas bien. We are not well. We are not well. Nous ne sommes pas bien. Nous ne sommes pas bien. We are not well. Then ils ne sortent pas. They don't go out. They don't go out. Ils ne sortent pas. Then il n'a pas soif. Il n'a pas soif. She's not thirsty. Il n'a pas soif. She's not thirsty. Vous n'allez pas bien. Vous n'allez pas bien. You are not well. You are not well. Vous n'allez pas bien. Then on n'a pas faim. We are not hungry. On n'a pas faim. Okay, so here I want to highlight something rather than negative form. If you want to say I am hungry, you use verb avoir, right? J'ai faim, j'ai soif, those things. So it's must, it's a rule. But when you are using it in English, where you say I am hungry, right? It's verb, the equivalent verb is verb être. But in French language, it's a must to use verb avoir for these expressions. Put your own note there as well. Okay. Okay, we are coming to the next part. So, ce n'est pas possible. It is not possible. When you want to say it's possible, c'est possible. It's not possible. Ce n'est pas possible. Then ce n'est pas just. It's not correct. Just is like it's not correct. You can say instead of that's true. Also say when you say juste, that's true. Ce n'est pas juste. That's false. That's not true. Say exact is it's exact. It's exact. Ce n'est pas exact. It's not exact. C'est vrai Why is that true? C'est vrai. Ce n'est pas vrai. That's not true. C'est bien. Ce n'est pas bien. It's not well. C'est bon. It's good. Ce n'est pas good. It's not good. C'est facile. It's easy. Ce n'est pas facile. Okay, any questions? All okay?
What is the meaning of just?
Just is like it's just this. It's true. You can say vrai also gives the same meaning. It's true. It's like it's correct. It's true. You can take it in several meanings.
Akisa nepa bien.
It's not well. It's well and it's not well.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the next part. Okay. So here you have been given one statement. Yun Weston Lin is like when you say Yun Weston Lin, it's a linen coat, and Weston Kotong is like a cotton coat. Okay, so you are telling c'est une Weston Lin, ce n'est pas une Weston Coton. It's a linen coat. It's not a cotton coat. And then des chaussures d'hiver and des chaussures d'été you have. Ce sont des chaussures d'hiver, ce ne sont pas des chaussures d'été. They are winter shoes, they are not summer shoes. You understand what you are supposed to do?
Okay, can you explain again?
Even Weston lin is, so you have a linen coat and a cotton coat. They are asking you to give the meaning. It's not a linen, it's a linen coat. It is not a cotton coat. You have to take that idea. So everything, so they have been given two statements. No? So you have to say, take the first part of the first part as a positive. It's like affirmative, and the second part negative. You understand or not? So when it is plural, you have to take a song, not say. For singular, it is say. It's a song. Is the plural. That is why in the second one you have the song. You understand it or not?
Got it.
Got it. What's about you, Nadisha?
I'm not completely okay. Like, still.
Let's do the first sentence. So it's not in a singular. No? C'est une bague en or. Ce n'est pas une bague. Bague en argent. Or is bag is the ring, or is gold. It is a gold ring. It is not a silver ring.
I got it.
You got it, right? Okay, go ahead. Okay. The first one we did, the meaning was bag is a ring. It is a gold ring. It is not a silver ring. Okay. Nirusha, can you read the second one?
Ayun kemise also say na pa an kemise on nylon.
Okay. C'est un chemisier en soie. Ce n'est pas une chemisier en nylon. It's a chemisier is a blouse. It's a silk blouse. It's not a nylon blouse. Okay. Navisha, can you read the third one?
It's Sasante gone on.
This pronounces set Sasonde. Yes, Sasonde. Okay.
Sasante gone on lane.
Lane.
Tanasonpa de gone on
Queer. Queer.
quit.
Ce sont des gants en laine. Ce ne sont pas des gants en cuir. They are wool gloves. Wool gloves. They are not leather gloves. Okay. Can Niruja read the fourth one?
Son pantalon are
Huh?
rayé.
Huh?
Ce n'est pas un pantalon à
Caro. Oh yeah. C'est un pantalon à rayures. Ce n'est pas un pantalon à carreaux. It's a stripe. Are you reading it? It's a stripe pant. It's not a check pant. It's like kotu idea. Carro is check. When you say here, there are stripes. Idi. Okay. Nadisha.
C'est un
Tunic.
tunique à fleurs. Ce n'est pas une tunique à pois.
Wow. It's like tunic is a long shirt. It's a long shirt blouse or something. Long blouse. It's a tunic. We call it in English tunic. Tunic. It's a flowery tunic. It's not a dotted tunic. What are the dots? Okay. Nirusha, can you read number 6?
Ce sont des chaussettes noires. Ce ne sont pas des chaussettes bleu marine.
Ok. Ce sont des chaussettes noires. Ce ne sont pas des chaussettes bleu marin. They are black socks. They are not bleu marin is the navy blue. They are not navy blue socks. Okay, now come to question number 4. You need to rearrange the sentence. Do with that. Keep doing. Okay. Okay, the first sentence. Je ne suis pas marié. Je ne suis pas marié is I'm not married. Je ne suis pas marié. Write down the meanings. I'm not married. Je ne suis pas marié. And then you have il n'est pas divorcé. Il n'est pas divorcé. It should be il n'est pas divorcé. He is not divorced. He is not divorced. Il n'est pas divorcé is he is not divorced. Then the third one is nous n'habitons pas loin d'ici. Nous n'habitons pas loin d'ici. We don't live far from here. Nous n'habitons pas loin d'ici. We don't live far from here. Then, ils n'ont pas d'enfants. Ils n'ont pas d'enfants. Ils n'ont pas d'enfants. They don't have children. They don't have children. Ils n'ont pas d'enfants. Fourth one. Tu ne travailles pas. Tu ne travailles pas. You don't work. Tu ne travailles pas. You don't work. Tu ne travailles pas. Last one is on ne fait pas d'études. On ne fait pas d'études. We don't do studies. On ne fait pas d'études. On ne fait pas d'études. We don't do studies. Then, vous ne fumez pas. Vous ne fumez pas. You don't smoke. Vous ne fumez pas is you don't smoke. Right. We are coming to question number 5. Let's complete 5 and 6 both. 5 is transformer à la forme négative comme dans l'exemple. So you need to, it's a question, but it's a sentence and they have put a question mark at the end. Tu viens avec nous, you come with us. Tu ne viens pas avec nous. You simply have to put ne pas. It's a general thing. You can do 5, right? And then in number 6, you are supposed to, it's actually a postcard, a small letter. So in the brackets, they have been given the particular part, ne pas faire. So you need to conjugate this faire as per the given subject here. So I'll give you an example. Il ne fait pas. Like I said, here you are supposed to do vous ne sortez pas ce soir. Okay, go ahead. Okay, I'll be repeating this one because I forgot to record it. Tu viens avec nous, you come with us. Tu ne viens pas avec nous, don't you come with us. Vous sortez ce soir, you go out this evening. Vous ne sortez pas ce soir, don't you go out this evening. Vous arrivez ensemble, you arrive together. Vous n'arrivez pas ensemble, don't you arrive together. Tu restes encore un peu, you stay a little bit more. Tu ne restes pas encore un peu, you don't stay a little bit more. Vous allez au théâtre. Vous allez au théâtre, you go to the theater. Vous n'allez pas au théâtre, don't you go to the theater. Tu accompagnes les autres, you accompany the others. Tu n'accompagnes pas les autres, you don't accompany the others. Vous invitez vos voisins, you invite your neighbors. Vous n'invitez pas vos voisins, you don't invite your neighbors. Okay. Any questions from that part? All good? Okay, right?
Yes.
Then chère mommy. What's the meaning of chère mommy?
Dear.
Dear mommy. Okay, so nous passons des vacances épouvantables. We are spending a terrible vacation. Okay, il ne fait pas beau. The weather is bad. Its weather is not good. So when you say il fait beau, the weather is nice, right? When it comes to il ne fait pas beau, the weather is bad. The weather is not good. No, have you right? No, ne sortons pas. We don't go out. Nous ne sortons pas beaucoup de l'hôtel. We don't go out a lot from the hotel. We don't go out a lot from the hotel. Nous n'allons pas. We don't go to the beach. Nous n'allons pas à la plage. We don't go to the beach. And la nourriture n'est pas bon. The food is not good. La nourriture n'est pas bon. The food is not good. And then, je n'ai pas de copains. Je n'ai pas de copains. I don't have friends. Je n'ai pas de copains is I don't have friends. La télévision ne fonctionne pas. La télévision ne fonctionne pas. The television doesn't function. La télévision ne fonctionne pas. The television doesn't function. Papa et maman ne sont pas papa and maman is not in the bon humor is a good temp. It's like they are in a bad mood. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Je ne sais pas quoi faire. I don't know what to do. Je ne sais pas quoi faire. I don't know what to do. Tu n'as pas. Tu n'as pas une idée. You don't have an idea. You don't have an idea. Écris-moi vite. Write me soon. Je t'embrasse. I hug you. So, for your exam also, you are supposed to write a postcard. So, keep these things in your mind. Écris-moi vite. Write me soon. Je t'embrasse. I embrace you. So, those are the Indian part of a postcard as well. Okay, those things, keep it in your mind. Yes, Niruja?
Écris-moi vite.
Write me soon. Écris-moi vite. Write me soon. Okay? That is done. Okay. So, what's about we did past tense, right? Or we didn't? Passé composé? Can you remember? The auxiliary avoir, être, that part?
Can you say an example? I couldn't remember.
Huh?
I couldn't remember like we did past tense.
Okay.
Can you say any example?
Yeah. I think we did past tense now, but not from here.
Is it that means LA means ALLE?
Accent, let me show you the passive composition. 85. Okay. I mean this past participle and all.
We did.
We did, right?
Yes.
Yes, we did the entire part, isn't it? Did we complete it all? Ganetra. Okay, I have. You should be done up to here. Okay, then I'm continuing this part, okay? Okay, so here, so you have basically when you are forming the past tense, you have the auxiliary verb and the past participle, right? So you should know the occasion where you should put the napa. So the rule is you are putting the auxiliary for the auxiliary verb. It's like sh, okay, let's je suis sorti. Okay, so you are putting ne pas for suis. Je ne suis pas sorti. I didn't go out. Okay, is that part clear or not? Hello,
Miss, yes, miss.
Nadisha, you were silent.
Aki, can you repeat again? I couldn't understand it.
Can you remember past tense?
Yes.
Okay, so basically, je suis sorti. It's a past tense sentence, right? I went out. It gives the meaning I went out. Can you remember that part?
Yes.
Then you are putting auxiliary verb to, you are putting the part of the auxiliary. You know this is the auxiliary, right? They have mentioned it here. And this is the past participle. You are not putting the napa to past participle but to the auxiliary verb. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now let's fill this part. Dans la forme négative. In the negative form, d'un verbo passé composé, in the negative form of a past tense verb, ne est placé après l'auxiliaire or avant l'auxiliaire. What is your answer there? What is après, what is avant? What are the meanings?
It means after.
Avant is
Middle.
before. So you know what is the auxiliary, right? Mega තේරෙන්නේ කියන්න. Past tense මතක නැත්තම් be honest and tell me you can't remember past tense. මතකයිද? Can you remember?
I can remember the past tense, but I couldn't remember that what is the past tense word. Other than that, I understood the thing.
What is past tense? Means what? Past tense?
Like if it is go, means the alley is infinitive, no? So
Yeah.
I don't. The spelling for the past tense of alley, the A
Participle. So did we do the activity or we did only the participle passé?
Sure. I'm not sure, miss.
I did past tense, but as far as can I remember, I didn't do it with this book.
Even yeah, I can remember only the theory part you gave us. I couldn't remember we did exercise.
So check your book and tell me. This part we did. This part we did. Participle passé we did. Is it? This charts and all?
Yes, miss.
Yes, no? So this one
Yes.
you did.
Yes.
Okay. So I want to check whether
Yes.
we did from here. We did. Did or didn't? Nadesha, are you lost?
This part I can't remember we did.
After 13, I couldn't remember.
That is why I'm asking. 13 we did. Is it?
Yes,
Yes.
13 I
After that,
remember.
I'm sure.
Then let's do something like that. Let's complete this part and go to that. Okay, because for A1 the past tense is not a must, but it's better if you can know some words. Okay, but you have to be really confident on present tense, when you're doing I mean the A1 present tense should be really perfect. Past tense still you don't need it that much. Yeah. Okay, let's come to this. Let's complete this part and then move on. Conjugué au passé composé, si nécessaire, transformer je en je apostrophe, ne en ne apostrophe. That's easy, right? On a entendu. You need to put them into the past tense. It's like here, on a, it's a entendre verb, entendre is given in brackets. Une exposition, on a vu de la fumée. We heard an explosion and we didn't see the smoke. Just complete this part. Okay. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? What's happening? On a entendu une explosion. We heard an explosion et on a vu de la fumée and we saw the smoke. La fumée is the smoke. Les enfants on you. The children had peur. So our it is important. Our to be afraid, that also come in with our. If you can remember, I am hungry, I am thirsty. Still, this is something like that. Our peur. So if you want to say I am afraid, you are writing it as j'ai peur. Okay.
Okay.
J'ai peur. I am afraid. Mais il ne. But you're going to write
Il
non pas crier. They didn't shout, but they didn't shout. Moi, me. So answer I'll be writing here. J'ai remarqué. Yes, Niloja can remember. It's like j'ai remarqué. It should be at together. I might forget to put the. J'ai remarqué. I remarked an homme là-bas. I remarked a man there. J'ai voulu. J'ai voulu. I wanted le suivre. I wanted to follow him. Then j'ai couru. I followed derrière lui. I followed behind him. Mais je n'ai pas pu. But I couldn't l'arrêter. But I couldn't stop him. But I couldn't stop him. Okay?
That's why it is Napa.
It's Napa is given here in the brackets.
I know it's like N.
Sorry, it's NAI. Sorry, NAI. Je n'ai pas pu. I couldn't stop him. I couldn't stop him. Okay? So you need to study and come for the next class. The past tense one. Okay? So
I remember the common one, the exceptions. It's there.
You can't remember. Yeah. Okay. So that will be there. Then let's go to your textbook. Since the exam is coming soon, I'll be finalizing you some homework.
It's a Delphon, right?
Yeah, that's fun. I'll give you some homework in the book. So the book, if you can manage the book, it is the targeted book for your exam. Okay. So don't like the grammar book. It's a beginner's level. Don't get panic with the things in the grammar book. So I want you to focus. Nadish, I told that I'll be taking orals, right? Or not?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be taking it together with Nirusha next class. Okay? Because she is also doing the paper, and then Nirusha, pay your attention on the time schedule. Okay? Don't take more than that.
Your voice was breaking. Can you repeat?
So when you are doing the paper, in the paper itself, they are giving you the time. Obey the given time period and do it.
Okay.
Okay. So in the listening part, not the listening part, I want you to go to the production écrite. Production écrite is the reading part. This is oral, so écrite part here. Did we complete it up to this thing, activity 15?
Yes.
Yes. So I want you to do. I want you to hear actually the first one. We have completed something like that, isn't it? Nom, pronom, you know the meanings, date de naissance, nationalité, address, code postal, telephone, mobile, address, electronic, profession. So if someone asks you to, Navisha, can you remember you had something like that in the paper itself, right?
Yes. I
Yes,
remember.
so it's a possible question. So this type of water fish, the inscription can come. So I wanted to do exercise 2 as a homework. Exercise 2 as a homework.
It's page 63, right?
Page 6 PDF is 63 and real page number 72. Okay. And you are going to do exercise 3 also, that is easy. Exercise 2 and exercise 3 are homework. Okay?
So I should send a photo to you.
Yeah, better, right?
Class.
Before the class, send it. Don't send me too early. Actually, I'm running out of time in the coming week. So in the class, I'll be checking. So send me like little earlier to join. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do exercise 2 and exercise 3 as homework. Exercise 2 car. So these things actually basically, there should be 1 or 2 words that don't know, you know how to refer the dictionary. And exercise 3 also you'll be doing here. Here it's like you are checking to a hotel, right? So there the things you need to submit there. Okay, so you'll be doing exercise 2 and 3 as homework.
Okay.
And Niruja has much work because you are supposed to complete the paper also.
Okay.
And Nadisha, you need to go ahead with the grammar part, passé composé.
Okay, I will.
Right. It will be there. And in the paper, do I have the paper now? In the paper, you have the third part, right? You have the speaking part. For speaking part, I'll allow you to get ready at home this time. And I'll be assessing the marks. In the paper itself, you have it. Okay? These 3 things to be done before coming, because I don't think that others will be doing the exam. You two will be doing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. That's all for today. You have any questions, things you didn't get or anything?
No, I actually have to go through
Passé
again.
composé. Yeah. Yeah.
That present tense tune that present tense tune that you said, like we should complete it.
Present tense still actually I said it, right? You have it.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You need to go through. It's like you should be really confident on basically you told me the conjugations. Practice the conjugations each by each.
Okay, we will be doing more papers before the exam, right?
Yeah, basically what we are doing now are the papers.
Okay.
I'll be give another 1 or 2 papers before that. And the book is actually with the real-time questions. Now the 2 questions that I gave you, introduction and Greek part, those are real-time questions.
Okay.
Okay?
Like we should focus like on present tense, the ER, IR, and RE.
All the entire 3 groups. So ER is easier. Question word also you need to focus, because in the speaking test you have to make questions, right?
And the negative ones, right?
Negative ones, yeah. Negative, once we complete the passé composé, I'll be completing that part in the next class. And negative also a must.
That
Okay.
feminine, that will masculine.
Those are basics, no? Those are basics. It's like you should really know those things in this stage.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, the words, vocab and everything should be there. But anyway, we are doing the papers. Now what we are doing are the real-time papers, because we have completed the basic part, and now you see, if you can see in the book, you see the marks given for the questions. So are the real-time questions. That's why.
Okay.
Okay. Any other thing?
No.
No. Okay, then good luck. Study and come for the next class. Okay.
Merci.
Okay. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Goodness.
Au revoir.